Hey guys, what I have here is an iPhone 3G running 4.21 software, and in a previous video I will have shown you how to jailbreak your phone to get to this. This is basically the second part of jailbreaking. This phone is currently running through the process of being jailbroken and installing your iPad baseband in order to unlock this phone. What you're going to do is you're going to follow my other video on how to jailbreak your phone, and you're going to get to this part. And now what I suggest you do is you just put your phone down, don't touch it while it's doing this. It's because flashing NOR, it's going to start doing that and running a whole bunch of programs. It's going to start installing the baseband, which you cannot interrupt. If you interrupt it while it's doing this, like unplugging your cord or unplugging it from the computer, you will mess up your phone more than likely. Your phone will be stuck in like a state where it can't be fixed, and you'll have to get it repaired or follow one of my repair tutorials. And very few of the phones that I've heard that have been interrupted have actually been able to be fixed, so just be careful with that. Take your time, it's worth it, believe me. And yeah, so we'll just wait for this to go through. I won't cut the video or anything, so you can see exactly what it does and what it looks like when it's finished. After it boots up, we will have Cydia installed, and we'll have to activate Cydia, reboot our phone, and then install Ultrasn0w to unlock your phone. In this video, I will also show you how to install Installulus, which will allow you to get free third-party apps, and as well as apps to try out to see if you actually want to buy them. No, Installulus is not for pirating, and nor do they have the intention on pirating apps. They want you to be able to try the app out firsthand, enabling you to actually see if you like the app, in hopes that you'll buy it. Now, we all know that, not many people are going to do that, but it does give you a nice ability to be able to try it out, before you want to waste your real money on it, and see if it's worth it. It's worth getting it for the updates and stuff. If you're a real hardcore, gotta actually own it kind of guy or girl, then that's what you're gonna want to do. So we're just installing bundles here now. Oh, there we go. See, flashing baseband, don't interrupt. If you were to interrupt it, you don't want to know what happens. Just don't do that. Come on, we don't really need you to interrupt it. I just told you there's no need to interrupt it, so unless you just want to go ahead and just not listen at all, just go ahead and interrupt it, and then that's it. And then you can check out some videos later, maybe how to fix it. But it's basically just suggested that you don't interrupt it. Now, you may ask, why did we have to flash the baseband? And yes, it voids my warranty. Listen, guys, installing the iPad baseband onto your iPhone will void your warranty only because you can't actually downgrade from it, at the moment at least. And you'll be stuck with that baseband, and when you take your phone to, say, an Apple store or send it to Apple, if you need any help with it, or you need to get it repaired, Apple will pretty much just laugh you out of the store. So, no, only to do this if you actually really count on the unlock, or you don't have a warranty, or you just have like 100 iPhones, which is pretty much what I have. So there's no need to really worry about it. Now, I apologize that the video quality is not too good because I'm not really sure how good it is right now, because I'm actually using an iPhone 4 to videotape this, and it seems to be good. There we go, our phone has rebooted, and I just noticed that I'm actually talking quite loud, so the iPhone 4 has a very good microphone. So, yeah, just don't comment on that. I know I'm talking loud. You don't need to tell me. Alright, our phone is going to reboot here, leaving us with a blank icon most likely, or a Cydia icon. The computer will make some noise. Computer will make some noise as the driver gets detected again. Every time you reboot your phone like that, the phone kind of gets assigned a new driver, so the computer just has to install it. We're just going to go ahead and enter this 000 code that's not my code. No, it's not. Please don't do anything to my phone. Alright, well, now that we're here, it puts Cydia, as you can see, on the second page, which will be very good for us to use now. And just to show you guys that I am running 4.21, we're going to go ahead and open this here. And we don't need to actually put in a video the serial number, as the person that owns this phone may not like that later. And you can see here that the baseband, the modem firmware, is 61500, which is the iPad baseband. No, you cannot go down from it, as I said earlier. And as for the version, there's your 4.21 right there on what version we're on. And yeah, alright, let's get out of here. Oh, thank you. Alright, so what you're going to want to do first, if you don't already have this done, is go to your Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi. Yes, that is my Wi-Fi name. Now select your password, which I don't know if you guys live near me, but you don't need to know. Alright, you click join. Once you put your password in, wait for that to connect right there. Blow any hair articles off your phone. Alright, we're connected to internet. So now we're going to back out, go to Cydia, open it. Cydia's going to run a file system, and note, Cydia will exit when complete, like it says. And then you just wait. Alright guys, we're going to pause this video and we'll tune back in when this thing turns back on. Note it's a 3G, so it's very slow. Alright, we'll be back guys. Cydia after the phone turned back on, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to unlock this bad boy. Alright, now if you're running 4.21, I don't really have to tell you to add the source anymore because it's kind of already here. So just go ahead and click search, package names and descriptions, whenever it lets you click it there. Type in just gotta wait for it, I guess, to reload data. It's kind of slow. Reloading data. Yeah. don't know what data it's reloading, but it's reloading it. Let's give it a little. Oh, okay. Alright guys, well, you most likely want to just go ahead and click complete upgrade, and then click up in the top right corner. It'll say done or install, and you just let that install, and it'll reboot your phone, and then come back to this exact same progress. But for now, we're going to click ignore temporary. You might want to put it on your phone because just to avoid bugs and to have updates. So you're going to type in ULTRASN, and then you shouldn't have to finish it. It should pop up there as a suggestion. So click Ultrasn0w. Wait for it to load up here. And it shows you which it supports. Now go ahead and click install in the top right here. And then click confirm in the top right. It's going to run a whole bunch of packaging. And then there's our friend reloading data again. Now you have data to reload. You'll see that your provider starts searching and searching because we basically just kicked it into a state where it doesn't know what it's doing. Reboot device is what you're going to want to do because the phone needs to be rebooted after it's unlocked for it to recognize your provider again. Just go ahead and wait for this to reboot. Doesn't the apple just sometimes look good enough to take another bite in? Sometimes I wonder if we could just take a little bite over there. See, there's a little bite here. Who took that bite? Nobody knows. Just take another bite just on this side, you know? It's not going to hurt anyone. Alright, our phone is booted up here, so type our password in. Let's get into the main screen. It's going to say no SIM card installed if you're like me and you have no SIM card installed. But as of right now, this phone is fully unlocked. We're going to go into Cydia to make sure Ultrasn0w installed properly. I can't show you it actually work on this phone because I don't have a SIM card to put in it. But I can assure you that it's fully unlocked if you follow these steps properly. So we're going to go ahead and click manage whenever it's finished loading. I just decided to make videos like this for you guys that are just showing you step by step basically what you have to click, because a lot of people show you videos and just leave their little check me down at the bottom description on how to do it. Like, no, I'd rather show you guys how you're actually supposed to do it. That way you get it done and there's no complaints. So there we go. We can see that Ultrasn0w has been installed properly. So we're going to go ahead and click that home button to get out of here. Leave it there. Now if you put your SIM card in, it'll work on any provider in the world. So that's our unlock part. Now, to cut this video from being so long, we're just going to go ahead and end this here. And you can check back for my other video, which will show you how to download Installulus to get free games and stuff on your phone. So for now, just I hope you guys had this work out just like I had it work out, and just comment and subscribe and let me know if you need me to send you any messages. I'm fully capable of sending you email messages, anything you want, just to get you working, you know. Just send me a message, drop me by a little comment, and I'll do my best to comment on them all, and hopefully get your question answered. Alright, thanks guys for tuning in. See ya.